In this video, we'll show you how to replace the cutting line on your GREENWORKS string trimmer. This guide can be followed for all GREENWORKS string trimmers featuring our T-type trimmer head. Be advised your unit may look slightly different, however, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. Let's get started. You will require 15 feet of replacement trimmer line. Please note, trimmer line comes in different diameters. Refer to your owner's manual to ensure that you're using the correct size line for your unit. Rest the unit on a flat surface with the trimmer head facing up. Line up the arrows on the bump knob and the base. Insert the line through the eyelet in the direction of the arrow. Push the line through until it comes out the opposite side. Pull the trimmer line until you have an even amount on both sides. Rotate the bump knob in the direction of the arrow to wind the cutting line onto the spool. Leave approximately 5 inches of cutting line out on each side of the trimmer head. The line will be trimmed to the correct length by the cutoff blade the next time the unit is turned on. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your string trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS string trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.